Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change or upload a profile picture on Line Messenger. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to upload a profile picture on Line Messenger. Maybe since you have created your account online, you have not uploaded any profile picture and you think now it's time to upload a profile picture. Or maybe you have uploaded a profile picture and now you want to change it because you have clicked another picture, or maybe there's another picture in your mind that you want to upload your profile picture. Or it could be any other reason for you to upload a profile picture online. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Line Messenger from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have done with that, just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have options almost all over the screen from top to bottom and even in the middle of the screen. So from all these options, what you have to do is you have to go to the settings icon. But before going to settings icon, at the below you could see we have a profile icon. If you have uploaded any profile picture, it will appear here, and once we upload it, it will appear here. So to upload it, you just have to simply click on the settings icon, which is in the top right side of the screen. Once you tap onto this option, you will land into the settings section, and there you will see different options. So from all these options, what you have to do is that you have to select this first option, which is profile. Just simply tap onto this option to get here. You will see the title of my profile and there are multiple options. So from all these options, this is a profile icon. Once you tap on it, it will show you few options. Through these options, you can easily upload a profile picture. So first what we do is that we will tap on it, and there you will see three options. So with the help of first option, what will happen is that camera will open and you will click a picture at the moment. Through second option, you will select a profile picture from your mobile phone photo gallery, and from the last option it will show you some pictures and you can upload any one of these. So you can go to any one of these options, but here I am going to the second option, through which I will go to my mobile phone gallery, and from there I'll select a picture and I will upload it as a profile picture. Now it has opened my mobile phone gallery, and from there I'm going to select this picture. So for that I'm typing on it, and there I will get the option to rotate it. So if you want to rotate your picture, you can rotate it, otherwise you can just simply click on next. Once you click next, you will get few options through which you can edit picture, like you can add text, you can add sticker, you can add different kind of colors, you can add filters, you can draw something. And once you're done with all that, you have to click on done and it will upload profile picture. Here you can see on the my profile page the picture has been uploaded. Now we will get back and see how it looks on the front page of the account. So for that, just simply get back. Here you can see this is how the profile picture looks. It has been uploaded. If you want to view it, you can just simply tap on it and then again click on it to see how your profile picture looks. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can upload a profile picture to your account in Line Messenger. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.